Hi friends, welcome back to Playtime Creative Time. How are we gonna be drawing together? In this video, we're gonna draw a baby fox. First, let's draw the head and the hair, a little hair over there, and then the side hair just like that, and the head. Now, draw the nose, and we're gonna make a curve for the pattern of the head, and start drawing the ears, a pointy ones, and the eyes, two round eyes, and a little cute mouth. Don't forget the cheeks, it's gonna be blushy. Let's make the eyes sparkly, just like this. You draw two small circles and then round circle for the pupils. Now start drawing the legs, the front legs, and the body. It's a bit chubby because it's a baby fox. Don't forget the tail and a zigzag for the different color later on, and also the back feet. Don't forget the details. It's done. We are ready to color. Oops, we forgot the color. Let's draw the color. Color the nose and then color the eyes. I'm coloring the eyes brown. You can color with any color you want, and start coloring the pattern with orange, dark orange, just like this. Dark brown or black for the legs and also the feet and the tip of the tail. And the rest of the body, it's orange. And later on, we're gonna color the collar and also part of the face with bright yellow. Don't forget those rosy cheeks. It's done. Very cute little baby fox. We're gonna see you in another drawing fox video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.